So for workshop 3, we now need to attach the microbit. Excuse me. The microbit is directional. It has A and B. We want B facing the front. And we're going to attach it. It needs to be attached so the edge of the microbit is around the centre of gravity, which is just around where the leading edge is. So the edge of the microbit needs to come up to where the leading edge of the wing is. You can either use sellotape, double-sided sellotape, ordinary sellotape, or I've got here, you can get anywhere some nice sticky double-sided sticky pads. What we'll do is we'll just pop it on there. And place it like that. That's the microbit attached. So nice, good, sticky bit of tape, double-sided tape, a double-sided pad, or sellotape, just sticking it onto here, around here, will attach the microbit. Make sure it's stuck properly because we don't want it to fall off. Get another bit of double-sided sticky tape. And we're just going to put on it here. Doesn't matter how you do this as long as you attach it. Pop your battery into here, plus to the plus. Pop in your JT connector, you see the light is lighting up, and then just gently move it around and stick it to double-sided tape like that, and that's you set up, ready to go. It's relatively central, so it shouldn't really affect the way that the aeroplane flies. If it does weigh to one side, bit of a challenge to try and get the pupils to work out how to correct that weighting by using the rudder or the ailerons. So that's how you mount your plane, and that's the building of the plane complete.